Dito ka, te. One, two, three. Hello guys, asa?
Hello guys.
Hi guys.
Hello guys.
Ano ka na?
Okay na. Oh.
Guys.
Saglit guys.
Enroll signing program. Please watch carefully and follow all guidelines to ensure a smooth and orderly conduct of the ceremonies. Let's begin. Once inside the ceremony hall, inductees and guests must proceed directly to their assigned seats. Please note that 2 guests will be seated alongside the inductee in the VIP.
Paiktik. Hindi na makikita ang mga mukha.
All please rise. The Honorable, the Chief Justice of the Republic of the Philippines, the Senior Associate Justice, and the Associate Justices of the Supreme Court of the Philippines. Hear ye, hear ye, hear ye. All persons having business before the Honorable Supreme Court of the Philippines shall give their attention, for the court is now in session.
Islam po.
Please remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem, followed by the Supreme Court hymn, to be led by the Supreme Court Choir.
For transparency and convenience, and for the people who labored quietly and faithfully, the bar examiners, supervisors, proctors, ushers, security personnel, maintenance staff, medical personnel, and all our volunteers and partners in service.
Your parents and
loved ones seated beside you to please stand. Only the inductees shall raise their right hand as I administer the lawyer's oath. To the inductees, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. Do solemnly swear that I accept the honor, privilege, duty, and responsibility of practicing law in the Philippines as an officer of the court in the interest of our people. I declare fealty to the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines. In doing so, I shall work towards promoting the rule of law and the regime of truth, justice, freedom, love, equality, and peace. I shall conscientiously and courageously work for justice as well as safeguard the rights and meaningful freedoms of all persons, identities, and communities. I shall ensure greater and equitable access to justice. I shall do no falsehood, nor shall I pervert the law to unjustly favor nor prejudice anyone. I shall faithfully discharge these duties and responsibilities to the best of my ability, with integrity and utmost civility. I impose all this upon myself without mental reservation nor purpose of evasion. So help me God. Let us all give our new lawyers a warm round of applause.
We will give you 3 minutes to take your photo to savor the moment. Please remember not to use your flash when taking photos, and please stay in your seats.
To deliver his inspirational message to our new lawyers, let us all welcome the chairperson of the 2026 Awesome Bar Examinations, the Honorable Associate Justice Samuel H. Gerland.